Hello. This camping night, we can see from here the whole set include one-piece gift box, one-piece camping night, and one-piece cable, charging cable. There have 3 charge way. One is use this charging cable, and the second, you can see here is the solar panel. Yes, this is solar powered. And finally, we also can use 4-piece AA battery to supply the power. Hook. This camping night have 3 functions. One is also as a camping night, 2 mode, and second is as flashlight.
再亮一下。
The other function is this can charge for a mobile phone. You can see from here, this is the USB port. So we just turn this button from right to left, then this is the USB port. We can use this to charge to mobile phone. We just need to turn this button from right to left, and you can see from here,